planned and the care that goes into it.
We are at about 120 right now, and then that's not counting walk-in.
But now we want to bring you into the full picture. The kitchen is stocked, the meat is prepped, and everything is in place. This is what farm to fork really looks like.
We have kind of an exciting thing tonight because there's a helicopter coming out of Tulsa.
Oh,
and they're bringing a group out tonight.
You walk in and you already get the feel for it. So.
That's what people will tell me, that it feels very homey and it feels, you know, something that they were not expecting.
There we go.
And now, as the evening sets in, the experience comes full circle. With guests arriving, the kitchen ready, and even a helicopter flying in, this is more than a meal. This is Piguet's prime time. This is so exciting. This is like they're flying in the helicopter from Tulsa here to Piguet's prime time for a great experience. So I can't wait to find out who they are and what they're doing. So this is like, must be a big celebration.
It's a birthday. We're having a birthday tonight.
Oh, fun.
And so my buddy Mike Bevins, we're trying to promote Block Aviation.
Okay.
And so we're trying to hook him up with Carolyn. I've known Carolyn for years. We meet here all the time. I said, hey, fly me in. We'll have dinner, introduce you to Carolyn. So that's what we're trying to do. So it's Block Aviation.
Okay.
We set up a tour company a few years ago, and we just, for fun, do stuff. He called me up, wanted to do dinner tonight and stuff. Like, yeah, we can work it in and make it happen. Got a little rain.
So how do people get a hold of you if they want to do, because I also manage Airbnb properties, and sometimes they want to know what to do when they're at Grand Lake. This would be something I could recommend.
So we got a website,
Okay.
Block Aviation,
Okay.
and then it's flygrandlakehelicopter.com. You go on there, it'll take you to our website, shows our 7 tours that we have.
Okay.
It's all online booking. Set everything up. We have events for like corporate events, customer, like he calls us up. This was a different deal.
Okay.
So it's a dinner deal. So
Okay.
he calls us up, we make it all happen. We set up the whole times, we figure out all the flight planning, where all the other ones are timed out, like a 5-minute ride to a 1-hour ride.
Okay.
So you can get on there, and then if you want to do something, you know, that you want to do, specific, then we can take you wherever you want to go. We'll build the whole flight for you and tell you what it costs and time into it. And that's kind of what ours was, because he'd never been here. So I'm like, hey,
Okay.
it's north of Veneta, so he had to come to Grove to get us, and then
Okay.
we flew over here. And it was 20 minutes. I mean,
Oh yeah, you guys were flying because I was watching. I was like, I should have left a little earlier. I came in here at about 70, got to get here.
it was,
Same time
it was
we
a
pulled
good
up.
flight. So,
Oh,
I mean,
that's awesome.
And you got the weather. I bet those beautiful flights, seeing those
it
clouds.
was.
I was
The
like, oh
clouds
man, I
and the
wish I was
sun.
riding with you right now, because seeing the clouds from up there is totally different than being down here seeing them.
Yeah.
Special. It is so tender and juicy. They're burned ends. We don't care.
Yes, those are burnt.
Oh.
Oh, it is just enjoyable. Because, you know, right before they come, they know they're going to get a good meal anyway. So 99% of the time, people are in a great mood anyway. So then that just... It's just the atmosphere.
It
and
is.
they love it here. Carolyn's so nice to everybody.
What are these?
That's my favorite thing in the whole wide world here. It's called cowboy candy.
Cowboy. This is cowboy candy?
Yes. Never in my life had anything like this. She caramelizes and flash fries steak.
Gemma, there's your salad.
Look at this steak. I found my happy spot in the kitchen with all this food. Oh my goodness. That is like a smoked cream cheese with caramelized. Oh my goodness, that is delicious. Wow. So I would like to have a sample of one of them.
Okay.
Give me a little.
Why don't I just mix you up like 3 or 4 of our more popular ones?
I would love that.
Yes, and then you can kind of sample them all.
I would love that.
My pleasure.
Awesome. I have American Pride Realty, and we sell a lot of farms and ranches in obviously rural America. And there's so many people moving into Oklahoma and that are not from rural America, they have no idea what lifestyle is like in rural America. And so then when you have people like Carolyn, who has, you know, the farm to fork, and she builds this and she makes a living in rural America.
Right.
That's a big deal. My night just got better. This is amazing. Yes. I come in here and grab a drink and go sit on the porch. That is very smooth. Oh my goodness. Carolyn, they're feeding me in the kitchen. They're giving me drinks. I don't want to leave.
I'm eating too.
And you know, in Oklahoma, you know what they do? Let me watch this. I think I'm gonna watch the storm. You can go ahead and go into the safe room. I'll be just fine. Yep. I hope the cows run for cover. Spinach artichoke soup. That is this is amazing. Asparagus here and a rack of lamb. I cannot wait to dig into this.
We've got some
And we've got some
walleye.
Yep, and some mashed potatoes.
that does not taste like lamb.
I got the walleye right here, and I'm about to try a bite of that and let you guys know how good this is.
Oh my goodness, this is like amazing. Here, Tommy, you want to try this?
The flavors.
I'm not gonna leave. Oh, it's like so super delicate. Like a lamb. But this is like,
What does that sound, Susan?
is that hail? Oh dear God. Yes, look at the pond. Oh, here's a piece of hail. Oh, here we are. Look at this hail. We have got the best seat in the house pod. Oh my goodness. We have been out there. It has been absolutely the most amazing experience ever.
I'm so glad. It's a little bit sketchy when the hail was falling.
You know what?
over.
The storm is like freaking amazing. We were out there watching it. We had the most amazing dinner, by the way. The rack of lamb, I ate the whole thing.
That's wonderful.
And we were out there watching the storm. It was actually rotating. We got some great footage of it.
Well, that's wonderful.
But this is great. Everybody's just hanging out, lingering here.
Yeah, it's a nice evening. It really is.
It is an
kind of enjoying
amazing
the rain on the roof. You know, it's
It
all
is.
good. It's all good.
It is. Thank you so much
Thank
for
you.
sharing
I
this with
appreciate
us.
it. I so appreciate your time. I so
Appreciate
appreciate
you.
you including us.
I thank you. Thank you very much. If you guys need a good place to go to experience the meal of a lifetime, you really need to come check this out.